morning, friends. It's a cold one today. Welcome to VLOGMAS 14. I'm a little bit late to work today. Don't tell the boss. She's quite a lot. Tomorrow is the 15th, and tomorrow's a pretty special day. Yeah, that looks so much better than this boxes, right? Okay, I got the register open and I got all the lights on. So you guys, I don't know if you watched yesterday, go watch it if you didn't. Put together a text about the items that went on sale yesterday. And it worked, y'all. I got an online order this morning. It's for online pickup. C321 Vintiques. This is Wendy. We do. Yes, the barcoded consigned items are 30%. You're welcome. All right, thank you. Bye. That's funny. That was a customer that got one of the texts and wanted to make sure what things were on sale. So that worked. So hopefully that's going to bring us some more traffic today and through this weekend. We got an online order, so I am going to print the ticket and we're going to pull it together. Good morning. Flurry of customers. That was nice. Everybody's getting Christmas from C321 Vintiques. I'm here all the time. I don't have time to go shopping, and why would I shop anywhere else? This is the best place to shop. Seriously, it's the best place. My son Cameron, y'all heard me talk about him quite a few times. His birthday is tomorrow, December 15th of 2000. Cameron Perry was born. He was 2 weeks past due and I was induced. And let me just say, he was the cutest, chunkiest little boy I've ever seen. And when he came out, the doctor was like, oh my gosh, he looks 3 months old. He really did look 3 months old. I think he was 10 pounds and 14 ounces, something like that. He was chunk, but he was so cute. Still cute. Tomorrow's his birthday. He was born in 2000, so it makes it really easy to remember how old he is. Cameron helped me out here and there in the summers when he was at college. Since then, we have decided we can't really work together. It's hard to work with family, right? If you're a mama, you know what I'm talking about. One little piece that he really liked, and we were going to trade out like hours that he worked for this piece, but he kind of forgot about it. He liked this poster. It's Milk Makes Energy. It's an old milk advertisement poster. I'm gonna wrap this up for him today. I think that's you know, just something fun. Y'all hear my floor squeaking? He won't care not one bit that is wonky. I bought this at a thrift store. At first I was like, I'll decoupage this on some projects. Who am I kidding? I don't have time to do any projects, but I'm going to use it for Cameron's gift. What in the world? I'm not wasting this paper. We've got some holes to fill. Another flurry of customers, and I got another online order. This online order is one of my vendors here, so Miss Heidi sold that last sweatshirt. Customers in the store. So one of the great things about owning a little small town store, you get to know your customers really, really well. And they bring you awesome gifts like local homemade, bee-made honey. One for me, one for Dad. Today's been a good day. I forgot my lunch today, but I found some wheat thins and some peanut butter in the fridge. And then I started adding a little honey to it. That's lunch today. So good, y'all. I have one other thing on my agenda that I wanted to do today. So I found some frames over here. Nancy's up been looking in everybody's booths. So this is a possibility. Very pretty gold frame. Very inexpensive. Let's see what she actually has two of them. These are too little, but they're also very pretty. The pair for only 10 bucks. Those are gorgeous. I rested into this. That looks more like what will go in my dad's house. I think that's more my dad's style. This is a consigned item. I'm just going to purchase that, and I think this is going to be perfect for what I'm wanting. I hope he loves it. Pick up your order.
I did.
Excited that you got the indigo.
I'm excited about it too.
We kind of staged that a little bit. Heidi's actually a really good friend, and she's a vendor here at Vintiques. She's been in here working on her booth today, fluffing it and adding some more stuff.
My artwork is, I do a little bit of everything. I'm crafty, but I also do regular fine art, so I have some of that in here. So
Yeah.
we have some of my paintings. I do also do lovely little crafty things. So
Yeah, she makes
lots of
the
little
wreaths,
florals and things. So
and she's very good at that. Here's another one of her paintings.
my husband's a woodworker, so he does all this stuff in our home shop. He also has a regular job, so this is his side.
Yeah, it's his
Side
side
gig.
hustle.
We have these really fun bottle opener coasters.
Very nice. And his boards are amazing, all different kinds of wood. Anyway, y'all shop local. Go to your local stores and make sure you hit all the little mom and pops. But anyway, thank y'all and
Thank you.
say bye to Heidi.
Bye, everybody.
We close at 6. I've got the store, got all the lights except the major ones out, and got the drawer counted and ready to go. I just want to thank y'all for joining me. Today was a very good day. We were very busy, so I didn't get a whole lot filmed. I hope y'all are liking this as we go along and like all the little projects that we're doing together. I'll see y'all again tomorrow. Bye.